They work in the same field, but they're all in different industries, and that's our Edge Army. This is a group of individuals that come together with a passion for their career, for their job, their hobby, the things that they've actually created in order to support it.